Hi guys, welcome back to Nature Walk Friends. Today, we're going to have a new guest, and we are going to go sled riding in the snow. Our first snow video. So, we'll see when we get out to our sled ride. Okay guys, we're walking out now. So, that hill right there you're seeing is the hill we're going to be sledding down.
And hello guys, I am her cousin.
He's the special guest.
Yeah, you didn't already guess that. Because she thinks everybody's stupid.
Since when
Just
did
kidding.
I say that?
Just kidding.
Okay, he's kidding. He said, good boy.
You probably should pause it while you're running so people don't get punched.
So, there's our sleds. So, I'm going to record him going up, and he's going sled down. So, here he goes. It's not working for him. He's crazy, guys. You should already know that. From the last previous videos of him.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, I'm just going to come up and do mine. And I'm going to go get down the first try. Ah!
What is happening?
It's because there's dirt here. We moved all the snow out of the way.
Let me take the camera.
No, I'll record you. No. Just push me.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Push. Over. Whee! Ah! Okay. Go. Go, I say. Oh, and Happy New Year, guys. It's 2025. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Guys and girls.
Then why did you wear those gloves? Yes, you did too. Oh, he went right down this hill. I'm like,
Oh yeah, that was terrifying.
should I do it? I ran right into the weeds, guys. That's what is terrifying. Whoa.
Oh God, my.
Okay, back up we go. Ew. You should go down this hill right here, Max.
I did.
Right here?
Yeah, look. Right.
What about right here? I'm going to try it. From right here. What?
Do you ever know that you sound like the dumbest person on the planet? Like, I'm going to try it.
Dick, you gotta move.
You sound like
No, I don't. It literally doesn't work.
Apparently does not. Oh God! Oh God!
Okay, back up the other hill. don't forget your sled. It's right there. Oh. It's not a blizzard. You crazy? Guys, there's a lot of snow on this camera.
Guys, unfortunately,
Whoa.
Julian and Leland aren't here.
Yes, because I'm just staying for the day because my dad is working. And Julian and Leland are...
With their mother.
No, they're at their grandma's. So I'm just here for the day with him. You don't even...
I'm smart.
Okay, see you when you're in the hospital. Guys, I can't even get this thing to go down because there's so much dirt.
Oh my God. Let's go again.
Okay. Wait, what are you doing? What?
Yeah,
Sure.
let's do that. Let's do that.
All right, guys, we're going to go over there and go down. All right, guys, we're going to do one more sleigh ride, then we're going to end the video.
What?
Yes.
What'd you say?
Because it's all wet. All right, guys, never mind. We actually ran out of time for today, so we're going to end the video. Bye.
Are you kidding me?